Welcome to How to Live in Japan channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the step-by-step guide to fill out the application form to receive the 100,000 yen from the Japanese government. So first, please know that the application form format may be different to what I will be showing you today depending on your city. But basically, each format requires the same information. So you will need to fill out the date of application, signature or your hanko, your contact number, and your bank account information. And also, you need to prepare a copy of your identification such as your passport, your residence card, your driving license, or your insurance card. Also, you need a copy of your bank account information, and it's usually at the first page of your passbook, or if you don't have one, you can provide a copy of your ATM card. So here is a sample format from the government of Japan. This is where you write the application date. And this box states the terms of agreement, like in cases when the government will require you to provide more information for verification purposes, or when you've applied for the subsidy twice. Please feel free to pause the video and read on. So basically, you don't need to handwrite your address because it's already printed out, but you need to confirm if the information is correct or not. This is where you write your name in katakana. So please make sure that it's the same as your bank account and the katakana that you use to register to your municipality. Next, in this box, please write your name in alphabet or romaji. If you wrote your name by yourself, you don't need to stamp your hanko. Next, fill out your birthday. In this form, they're using the Japanese calendar like Heisei, Showa, and such. So if you don't know your birthday using the Japanese period calendar, please check the description box below for a website like a converter, birthday converter website. In this box, please fill out your contact number. So this box is for special cases like when you use a proxy to receive the money. This is where you write the name of your representative in katakana. It may be your father, your mother, your husband, your wife, or your child. Next part, please check according to your situation. And this is where you write the address of your proxy. And here is the name of the head of the household. Check this box if you attach a document that would confirm your identity, such as your residence card. Again, you don't need to write your name because it's already printed out. You just need to confirm for any mistakes. Now this part is very important. In other format, you only have one box to check. And that box means you don't want to receive the money. So if you check that box, the government will not send money to you. So please be careful with that. Please check this box if you have a bank account information. And check this box if you don't have one or if you live so far away from the bank and it will be so inconvenient to go receive your money. In filling out the following information, please make sure that the infos are the same as what's written in your bank account. Here, you write your account name. And if you have an account with Yucho or Japan Post, you have to write your account number, the name of your bank, its branch, and your account number. Check this box if you don't have an account linked to any government-related payments such as taxes or insurance. And check this box if you have one. If you have a bank account that's registered to the government, you won't be needing to provide a copy of your bank info. Now let's go to the attachment page. You can attach any one of the following documents: a copy of your driving license, My Number card, insurance card, or pension book. A copy of your passport will also do. Second attachment will be your bank information: a passbook copy with account number displayed or a copy of your cash card. Lastly, before submitting your paper, please check this list. Check for errors and omissions. Check the account number and make sure it matches the passbook information. Check all the necessary documents to be attached. If you're all set, put the application form and the attachment paper in one envelope and you're ready to send it to the nearest post office. You don't need a stamp for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps. See you in the next video.